Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today I'm gonna look at something I just picked up. Bauer at Harbor Freight was running a special. If you bought a 5 amp hour battery, okay, with their rapid charger, so this is basically like $34 and 60 something, but together they're about $89 is what the ticket came out to with their rapid charger. Then you can pick up any of their bare tools, and the bare tool I picked up was the grease gun. It's a pretty nice grease gun. Realistically, it's pretty heavy. It's made pretty well, and let's go over it. But that's the deal I went with, and I thought for $89 plus tax, now that's not a bad deal. When you look at regular pump grease guns that cost, $30 for a decent one or more, depending on who you got it from. So, like I said, this one I have a 5 amp hour battery on it, and that just slides in just like that, right on the end, right on the end. This one has the button to check for battery voltage, and I didn't charge it since I got it, and it's still brand new. And like I said, I just took it out of the box a little while ago. I have put a grease cartridge in there, and following the instructions is pretty simple. You just open up this valve until you bleed it out. There's a nice little holder for this, for the grease gun, so you just pop it out of there and slide it in and slide it. There's a cap for this as well, a little black one, but I don't know if I really need that. And as you can tell, the way it's designed, it's pretty solid on the bottom, and the grease gun is very stable. As far as that goes, I mean, it doesn't fall over. It's pretty good as far. And on the end, there's a little light, so that if you're out in the dark and you want to find something, you can find whatever you're looking for. This also has, right at the top here, a place right there, and I think there's another one, I gotta find it, that you can strap in. I thought there was another one, I don't know, that you can strap in that, oh yeah, right here. I guess you can use this one right here. They give you a strap. They give you a nice strap. It's a pretty nice strap that you can strap it if you want to carry it around with you, and basically if you have a lot to do, so you can just pull up that tab and just click it in. But beside that, I mean, for $90, basically $90 plus tax, you get a really nice grease gun. So let's see how well it works. Okay, let's go grease some stuff and see if it's anything. All right, I got a grease fitting on here. There's a little light. This fitting here is pretty stiff, so you plug it in and then just pull the trigger. And then just pull it off, and that's it. And like I said, this fitting is for some reason very stiff. I don't know why it's so stiff, but it takes a little bit to get it off, and it's oozing out. But you can tell that it's oozing out. But yeah, it's a good grease gun, and I think it was well worth the price. So I'm gonna go around and grease the rest of these fittings and make sure everything is good on this mower that I use. And that's it. Thank you for watching this little quick video, and have a great day. Thank you. All right, here's the follow-up to the electric Bauer grease gun. Is that I took the original fitting off because it's just too tight. It didn't want to come off, and I installed one of these things. Very nice, very quick, and I got that at Amazon. And this is the model that I got. It was pretty cheap. I think it was like $7 or less. So that's it. Now she's ready to go, and we'll give her the full blast. Thanks again, guys. Take care.